Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set face beauty for video call in your messenger. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see shortcuts and accessibility. Press on this. Again scroll down. Now you can see here face beauty for video call. Click on this. If you want to set your face beauty for video call in your messenger, you just have to turn on the button. So this is how to set your face beauty for video call in your messenger. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.